Welcome back to the arena here in San Juan, and we are not kidding, we are not exaggerating. You can look at this crowd. We have a pretty mean crowd today witnessing the match between Ateneo and FEU.
And that's on our first day.
I'm sure everyone was excited.
Meron pang bukas.
Oo. Well, this is the start of your season, 75. So much more volleyball action. So don't forget to catch them either on TV or come to the arena.
The Jima now on the line to serve for Ateneo.
This is actually a new entry to the Ateneo first six, Tajima.
That's right. We already saw a glimpse of her last season. And this time, mukhang pinagkakatiwalaan na siya ni Coach Roger to hold that first six position.
That's right. And of course, her height. You know, we got to talk about her height. In the net, by the net, height is might also.
Yeah, true.
Well, Ferrer to Kainglet. Giselle C was there. Rojas to Basas. Soft tip. Ferrer to Ho. Ferrer.
Ferrer, diba lahat nakabang?
Yeah.
Para everybody have their breath. And then si Jem, wag tayo bigay ng breath. Last minute, look at this position by Jem Ferrer. And that gets them that point.
She has eyes in the back of her head and the side of her head. She really just knows. You know what's nice about Ferrer? A lot of setters, they try to do that. But Ferrer, her percentage is, I think, one of the best, if not the best. Because she knows when to exactly do it.
Oh, but out of the second play, FEU getting that one.
That's right. You know, Ateneo caught flat-footed there. That was a good dig, but no coverage there. Vasho actually.
Giselle, just so smart in going to that spot. Sabi mo nga, padaliin ang volleyball.
Yeah.
Just look for those openings.
Wow. And there's nothing madali in that spike. Eliza Valdez makes it 19-12 for Ateneo. You know, if you're an Ateneo fan, you will savor this season because this is the last season of, we were talking about it earlier, Hervasio, Ferrer, Ho, Nakachi, and Kainglet. Oh, Giselle C. to Eulalia.
Oh, Eulalia. Right timing and even challenging the blockers of Ateneo and getting through.
But Eulalia has actually, you know, developed or improved to being one of I wouldn't say arguably the better, one of the better quickers of this league.
Oh, better middle hitters actually pa kahit sa differential.
Oo.
May high leaper din si Eulalia. That's why such a big advantage on our part as this time Ho getting that point off the block.
That's right, a running spike there by Gretchen Ho.
Your fellow Ikan.
Myself, yeah.
Proud.
Happy, you know.
Happy and proud.
I know. You know, not for anything, but Gretchen Ho, always soft-spoken, you know, she's doing the odd jump, but she also has become, become a good player. Well, Ateneo now suits for time. Let's listen.
Itataas nga, kailangan Red! Huwag mo pa unahin pumalo. Pagka nandun, yun na yung bola. Dapat yung kamay mo nandun na. Bago kasi pagkapalo niya, yung kamay mo nandito. Saraduhan mo na kaagad. Masasabayan mo yun. Huwag mong pababaya. Hayaan mo nang umopen. Mag-single block dito. Hindi naman ganong katindi yung opener dito eh.
Diba?
Ha? Okay na, sige.
Well, if you're a player and you watch this coverage, much a challenge ka because you hear the coach of your opponent say, oh, hindi malakas to. You know, it should be a challenge to the players.
Well, of course, Coach Roger, seeing that Tajima is in front, blocking ang in-emphasize niya in that last timeout.
If you have a player like Tajima, you want to take advantage of her height in the net.
You want to close that net, you want to close that door, but that open hit, Eliza Valdez once again getting them their 22nd point of this first set.
After a good start, FEU actually now just staying at 13. Ateneo cruising on, 22-13 as you mentioned. Palma read well by Kainglet. Ferrer to Hervasio.
Oh, that's going to be long. Not enough spin on that ball.
But you know, the thought was there.
No,
Ferrer.
maganda. She was aiming it in that corner. But yun lang, humaba ng konti because of that lack of spin.
Now Ferrer really distributing the ball really well for
True.
Ateneo.
That's correct, partner.
Basas. Good serve actually, Ferrer. Good read by
Agno.
Agno. We saw her dive, no? Free ball for Ateneo. Ferrer to Tajima. Chelsea Rojas. Vargas.
Oh, down the line hit by Vargas. Nobody there for Ateneo to defend that one.
That's right. Rosemary Vargas actually has been silent so far in this match, in this first set.
We say that because we know that she draws a lot of points for FEU. Or FEU draws a lot of points from her.
That's true. She's always the leading scorer. Vargas there.
Oh, that's going to be overreaching. A little bit too eager for Eliza Valdez.
Well, you know, we gotta see this because
Yep. Coach Roger didn't like the call, although sometimes yun yung mahirap kasi Giselle C was in the act already of setting the ball. Pag inagaw mo yan, sa mas madalas, you will be called for that overreaching violation.
But had Giselle C been a backliner, I think that's a good point for Ateneo. Well, Vargas tip. Lazaro's there. Ferrer this time to Valdez. Overcracks it. You know, see Eliza Valdez, no? We know her as the athletic fighter, but there are times that giggle factor sets in, no?
Yung immaturity, yung wanting to close it out right away, di ba? Yung impatience. But, you know, syempre bata.
In time.
In time.
Oh, service error by Basas, and that gives another free point to Ateneo.
Ateneo needing only 2 more to close out the first set.
A very young squad for Coach Ness. You can look at the first 6. Vargas again
going down the line. Why not? Taking another point.
Well, Vargas slowly warming up for FEU. But you know, Mozi, I really have a feeling you watch this game, no? At least this set, you'll see as the games progress, you'll see a different FEU. Normally, ganun ang FEU, eh, di ba? Valdez, Ferrer, Tajima.
Tajima gets that point. And you can see Tajima is so textbook. Ang palo niya from the middle, right or left lang, walang diretso. Yun kagad eh, di ba? Very textbook. Kasi pag middle hitter ka, tama talaga yun eh. Yung una mong matutunan, dapat wag yung diretsong hit.
Yes, because normally may blockers.
Yeah, that's right, into the blocker.
Well, that's her first point for season 75. We're talking about Tajima. Well, Kainglet buries that into the net, but Ateneo still with set point. And FEU hoping to score some more points here. Palma now serving for FEU, trying to stay here in this first set. Good serve, Ferrer. To Kainglet.
Oh, and point goes to Ateneo.
Well, after a good start, FEU kind of lapped here in the first set, and Ateneo so far doing well in this first set.
That's right, working like a well-oiled machine and playing like the matured Ateneo squad that we expect.
That's right, and the Fab Five with their new recruits doing well here in the first set. So go away, keep it here.